to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made street meat chili dogs in the middle of winter in New Jersey. Over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of evokes, mince half an onion. Watch your fingers. Hit it with the Ninja. Go ahead and add the minced onions to the hot oil, stirring constantly until translucent. Add your hot seeds. Then add the chili powder. Stir until fragrant. Add 1 cup of beef broth. Add 1 pound of 80% lean beef. Add the garlic powder. Break up the meat as best you can. And then add the adobo. Black pepper. Add the Worcestershire sauce. Don't forget the extra hot Red Hot. Add ketchup. Add the barbecue sauce. When the ground beef is thoroughly cooked, give it a taste and adjust seasonings for salt and pepper. You can tell when the chili is done by stirring it, and if you can see the bottom of the pan and it doesn't immediately come back together. Today is the coldest day that we've had this season in New Jersey so far. The recipe is located below in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it.